And greeting everyone, welcome to our virtual class. Introducing myself, I am Roshan Karel. I am your subject teacher for computer science for grade 8. Here we are about to start the second chapter of computer science for grade 8 titled as History of Computer. In this chapter, we will learn about how over time the finger counting methods gradually developed to modern computer technology where machines are capable of reasoning. Before learning history of computer, we will be familiar with some terminologies which are listed below: computer, history, ancient, modern, era, development, technology, thinking, reasoning, electric, electronic, mechanical, electromagnetics, electromechanical. These are some of the terminologies that we have to be familiar before we start history of computer, because if we are unable to understand these terms, then it will be difficult for us to cope with the lessons. So beginning with the definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device that accepts raw data as input, processes it and gives meaningful information as output. This means a computer is a device that runs with the help of electricity. It accepts raw data that we give through the input devices, which is then processed by the CPU, and the output is given by the output devices. Okay, next one is history. History is the special event or incident that took place in the past. This means history are some special things or special events that took long ago in the past. Next one is ancient. Ancient is also similar to history, or it comes under history, which means very old, decades or centuries old, which no longer exist. Modern means present or recent. This means 2020 is modern or recent. Era. Now era means a long period of history. These terms seem similar but has some significant differences which makes them different, not the same. And next one is thinking and reasoning. In a glance it must sound or seem similar, but these two have some differences which make them different. A thinking is the production of idea in the brain, means what comes in our mind is thinking, but reasoning means the ideas that comes in the brain but that contains or that analyzes the facts. This reasoning is able to say that something is right, something is wrong. Now any positive change is known as development. For example, if anyone who does not have very attractive handwriting practices a lot and improves his or her handwriting, then that is also development. And technology means the use of new methods or different ways for doing task. Now next term is electrical. Electrical means that uses electricity. Any devices that uses electricity is electrical device. And electronic means the device that uses electricity and has something in it that has the capability of making decisions. And next one is mechanical. Mechanical means using forces which are usually generated by machine, or we can say simply using hands is known as mechanics. Mechanical means using electricity as well as using hand. That means using electricity at the same time using hand is also known as electromechanical. Electromagnets means the magnets which are produced using electricity. Okay. Finally, History of computer means the sequence of events that took place in the past in the field of inventions of new technologies and computing devices or computer. That means there were some inventions, there were some technologies which gradually developed or took place in the past. Now that is known as history, and the history regarding the computer is known as history of computer.